Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. In a previous tutorial I showed you how you could soft mod a PS3 Super Slim, work Slim, and the standard PS3 to use Hen, the Homebrew Enable soft mod. And now I'm going to show you how to install Homebrew with that soft mod. So let's get started. Okay, so the most popular place to actually download Homebrew software is from store.brewology.com. That's BREWOLOGY.com. Okay, so to install Multiman, which is the application we're going to try and install today, we'll just click on Multiman down the side here. As you can see, there's a Multiman 4.85. So we shall click on that. If we scroll down, you see there's Multiman Base. However, there's an unofficial Multiman, or Hen, and since we're using Hen, the Homebrew enabled soft mod of the PlayStation 3, then that's the one we'll download. So we just click the download link here, and I'm going to save it to my local system, my downloads folder. Now I've inserted a USB drive into my PC, and if I click on my downloads folder, change it by date, you can see that it's stored here. It's about 34 megabytes. So if I now scroll back down to my USB drive and click on that to drag it across, just copy it into the root and give that a moment to copy. And now it's copied. I can see that that's in the root. So let me just jump over to the PlayStation and continue this tutorial. Obviously, before I do that, I'll have to eject the USB key. And then place it inside the PS3. Okay, so I've now connected the USB drive into the PS3. And I probably should explain what Multiman is before you continue. Multiman allows you to have a file manager. So it makes it easier to copy files to and from your PlayStation 3. It also allows you to run backups. Watch AV CD, and that's the main benefits of this. So with that in mind, let's jump over to our capture card and we shall take it from there. Okay, so this is our freshly booted PS3. So the first thing I have to do is scroll over to Hen Enable, select Enable Hen, and say yes. Sometimes that does fail, but you can just try it again. Now that that's been done, you should be able to move down to Package Manager, install package files, and standard, and there we go. There's our Multiman package that we downloaded. So let's select that, see if it works. And apparently it did. So if I jump back out, we now have a Multiman option here. So let's open Multiman since I've not actually used it before. But it's an app everybody says you should have when you're running custom firmware. And see if we can do anything useful with it. Okay, so we've got a sign your life away agreement. Always read these at your leisure and agree or disagree as required. So it's now installing Multiman onto my hard disk drive. I've only got a 12 gig built-in hard disk drive now, so I need to upgrade that. Maybe I should do a tutorial on upgrading that too. If I recall correctly, this does all sorts of annoying things that slow down your PlayStation 3 initially. I have to turn off. If you like this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.